Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 smartphone. This is 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to the settings here and then scroll down. Here select sound and vibration. Here you go to choose phone ringtone. Click it and you will see a lot of options. These are only system ringtones. Just you can pick up any one. Here I select synth. So you can select from the available ringtones. These are all the system ringtones and you can pick up any one. Okay, the selected ringtone will be applied. See here, go back and you will see the changes. See here, what I have selected, that is displaying here. If you want to set your own custom ringtone, then you can choose first option, custom ringtone, and here you can select a tone from your local gallery. If you have any music file in your memory card or in your local folder, just you can select here. As of now, I don't have any music file, so it doesn't show here. Okay, so if you have some files, some mp3 files, they will be listed here, and from here you can just pick up any one and that can be set as ringtone. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a ringtone for your phone Vivo Y100 5G. Either you can choose from phone ringtone, that is system ringtones, or you can choose any music file, any song from your local gallery or from your external memory card that you have inserted here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.